Good morning, Hope class. Tuesday, April the 28th. Hope you had a great Monday. And I just want to encourage you to press on and finish strong. Summer vacation is almost here. You can do it. Just stay the course. I want to continue and encourage you to keep working out. It's really, really important. This, staying at home, this social distancing, it is taking its toll not only on all of us physically, but mentally as well. So if you can be physically active, it will help you so much on the mental side as well. So we want you to continue to press on. We want you to exercise. Again, if you're outside, it is getting quite warm. Sunscreen's a great idea. Hydration, hydration, hydration. Really, really important. But we want you to get outside if it's safe, and we want you to exercise. It'll help you not only physically, but mentally as well. As far as the classroom, as you can see, I am in my truck. I am not driving, by the way. But what we're going to talk about this week in terms of the classroom topic is motor vehicle safety. A lot of you have, I know before we left school, you were getting your driver's permit. Some of you are getting your licenses. And again, a lot of you over this last month or 2 months probably have gotten your permit, things like that. And this summer, you're going to be driving. So cars are going to be part of your life. Obviously, jet skis, boats, four-wheelers. I know some of you have four-wheelers, motorcycles, things like that. And especially cars are going to be part of your life now. And we want you to be safe. And I know you have to go through a driver's ed course and all that. And it's really, really important. But safety, driving can be a really, really safe thing if you pay attention. If you're dialed in and focused on what you're doing. If you're not, it can be a real dangerous situation, and obviously we don't want anything to happen to any of you, so we want you to be safe. So that's what we're going to talk about this week in the topic. But to get us started, what I would like you to do is I've attached 4 pages. It's a quick read about motor vehicle safety. Some things that you've already heard. To get your permit, you had to read, you had to go over that information, but I want you to just go over it one more time. It's just a reminder, the responsibility that you have when you get behind the wheel. There's a video attached as well, so I want you to watch that. And then on Thursday, we'll talk a little more and we'll answer a couple questions, and we'll look at another video about motor vehicle safety. Again, you know this, it's your age group. Safety is a big issue with cars, with young drivers. It's your age group where we see the most accidents and things like that. 1, we're inexperienced. 2, not paying attention the way we need to. Cars can be a really, really safe feature. Obviously, the cars that we have with all the safety that they have built in them, it's fantastic. But you have to do your part. You have to pay attention. You cannot be driving fast. You can't be an aggressive driver. You can't be texting. You can't be on your phone. Things like that. You are driving something, that weighs somewhere between 4,000 and 5,000 pounds, and you're driving that thing, 40, 50, 60 miles an hour. Come on, you know what can happen. It can be a weapon. So we want you to be really safe. So what we need you to do is we want you to read those 4 pages. Again, it's a real quick read. Watch the videos. And then on Thursday, we'll dive into this subject a little more, watch another video, answer a couple questions, and we'll go from there. In the meantime, be safe. Social distancing is the key right now. It looks like this virus is starting to at least flatten out the curve, as they say. So we want you to be safe. We want you to continue to work out, not only for your physical health, but for your mental health as well. So just keep doing it. If there's anything I can do for you, please just give me a shout. Send me an email, and I'll get right back to you, and we will address anything we have to address. I'm here for you. I certainly do miss you, and I'll be glad when all this is over. So if you need me, give me a shout. If not, I will talk to you tomorrow.